paso amigos? John's Moto Garage. We're going to demonstrate what not to do, which is loading a Honda Goldwing, nearly 1,000-pound motorcycle into the back of a pickup truck. And once you hit it, man, pedal to the metal, dude. Full throttle. You're going to want to do a wheelie. If the front wheel doesn't get up in the air, then you're not doing something right. Buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. We're checking out a Honda Goldwing F6B, almost identical to this guy here. So you may be asking, why the heck am I checking out another one? Well, this one's a shout out to Don out there on the East Coast. He sent me a lead. He said, John, I found a smoking deal right there in your backyard. I said, no way, he's pulling my leg. Sure enough, he sent me the info and he found a smoking deal. But I'm gonna go check out the bike. It's 50 minutes away. It's a bit of a drive. Hopefully it pans out, and if it does, gracias Don, and if it doesn't, oh well. Alright, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. So we did make it all the way the heck out here. 50-minute plus drive through gnarly Saturday rush hour traffic. And you may think, dude, you're trying to pull fast one, John. I know this bike, you have it sitting in your garage. But to the astute observer, you'll note that the Goldwing F6B that I have in my garage does not have the tinted windscreen. Which, quite frankly, I think for a Goldwing rider is a must-have. Not necessarily tinted, even though it looks way better, but the taller windscreen. Anyway, let's get on to it. This is a 2013 Goldwing F6B. Big, huge shout-out to, I hope I get your name right, Don. Back in Michigan, he gave me the lead for this bike. And he was going to actually buy it, but shipping wasn't panning out. And so he said, here, John, have at it. And I said, thanks a bunch, dude. Yeah, assuming all this works out, expect a finder's bonus or commission or whatever you call it, for sure. Anyway, if you haven't already, check out my last video I did regarding the Goldwing F6B. This is the third one that I've ridden, and ever since riding my first red Goldwing F6B back in the day, I completely fell in love with these bikes. 1800cc, the smoothest bike I've ever ridden. 6-speed, you got your 5-speed with your 6-gear overdrive. This is the stripped down version of the Goldwing. They always called the Goldwing an old man's bike. I think Honda came out with this one. They stripped it down. They made it look a little more aggressive, a little more hipster, if you will. And what they didn't take away from that, though, was just how smooth and fun it is to mob this bike around. So there are some things I don't like about the Goldwing, but they're all kind of nitty-picky type things. Kind of like how you, on this model, don't have electronic cruise control, things along those lines. But otherwise, I'm a huge fan of these bikes. This isn't really going to be the in-depth ride and review, although I will be doing one of those because I've yet to do that on a Goldwing. Hopefully this guy doesn't run me off the road. One of the craziest things on the Honda Goldwing is how easy it is to lean. So easy, in fact, that with the one I have sitting in my garage at the moment, I was able to pull a knee drag, and it's the only bike that I've ever done a knee hand drag on. And I'm not saying that to brag, because it doesn't have anything to do with my wannabe skills. It's the bike. The bike does it. And I can tell you right now, my friends, I'm already totally lost. Oh, geez, I'm lost. It's like a maze, man. It kind of combines the comfort of a touring bike with the speed and agility of your sport bike. It's very nimble, easy to lean, and you have more of a mid control as opposed to forward control, which I personally like. I feel like it gives me more control, no pun intended, when I'm actually riding the bike. I think they did a great job with the F6B stripping it down, and I wasn't real stoked on the direction they went with the brand new Goldwings. I've done like little to no research on them, actually, because I just not real interested looks wise. I'm sure I'd have a blast riding it. Looks like we found our way back.
Enjoy it.
Hold on. Golf cart, 2018 battery is $1,400. Ooh. Smooth as a buttery pancake. Alright, I know. I need to slow down. This thing is almost as bad as the freaking CBR, man. You jump on it and you can't contain yourself. Alright, I'm gonna jump off here, do a quick walk around, and then we will load the bike up, and I'll have my hermano, since he's here, I'll have him film me loading this thing up in the truck so you guys can see what it's like to load up a Honda Goldwing that has no business going in the back of a pickup truck. 2013 Honda Goldwing F6B, just the base, not deluxe or anything like that, but in my heart it is deluxe. You got the hard bags, you know, pretty nice, slick, smooth machine. I'm a big fan. We're gonna demonstrate what not to do, which is loading a Honda Goldwing, nearly 1,000-pound motorcycle, into the back of a pickup truck. Like with any bike, you want to line it up, make sure you're straight, and once you hit it, man, pedal to the metal, dude, full throttle. You're going to want to do a wheelie. If the front wheel doesn't get up in the air, then you're not doing something right. Easy as that. Alright, we're gonna get it all tied down and should be good to go. I was freaking out there at the beginning, in the middle, and towards the end until we got to the bottom. This motorcycle has no business being in the back of a truck. It needs to be on the road, ridden. So we'll do our final spin and here's my coolest trick on the Honda Goldwing. I'm getting into a new kind of stunt. As we ride off into the sunset. Anyway, just zipping this one through the gears real quick and then we'll roll it back to La Casa. Such fun bikes. Stay tuned. I'll do an in-depth ride and review on the Honda Goldwing. I'll go over some of my likes and dislikes on the moto and why I think everybody at some point in their moto journey needs to pick up a Honda Goldwing, pick it up and take her for a ride, because these things really are just so smooth and fun. I mean, it'll like blow away any preconceived notions you had or have of the Goldwing line. Whoa, dang, those are some dope looking bikes. Alright, I gotta turn around. Do you think I can pull off the Goldwing with the Harleys? I'd love to see one of the Harley dudes driving one of the Goldwings. Nice. Those things are dope. Shame they're not out here. I think we got a night train. A Dyna maybe? Nice. That one's got the bunking. Super dope. Anyway, I was gonna say, I'd love to have one of the Harley dudes mob around on the Goldwing just to get their thoughts on it, you know? Not like, I'm not trying to convert somebody to Honda-ism. That's not the purpose. It's just trying out different things. And who knows, maybe they have tried them out. And it's not, I mean, there's something about a Harley that's a Harley, man. And that's why you dig it. And there's things about a Honda that's a Honda. And that's why you dig the Honda. And everybody's got their own personal preferences and things they dig and don't dig. And it's all good. I mean, that's the name of the game. Can we park two Goldwings? Are we gonna have enough space here? I gotta figure something out because this is not working. That's cutting it real close. that'll work. That'll work for now, but we'll have to move some stuff around. Probably put the street, yeah, I think that'll be it. Alright. Alright, you guys, John's Moto Garage. Until the next one, hasta luego, nos vemos, cuídense, y ciao. We'll hit you on the next one.